DJs in the house with the party sound. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come on, shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, Quinto Bueno on the TV screen. This is like a samba, from here to Manila where we're hitting the drums. Yeah, so shake it up and basic like no more drama. The jumping girl, it's just Philippines, throwing a dot. The world keeps stomping, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of BBC, pieces of heaven.
Congratulations to our students who participated in the second grand recital of Enchanti Dance School. All your hard work, dedication, passion have paid off.
This is the moment that we've all been working toward, and we couldn't be more proud to each of you.
Congratulations, and we hope to see you next year on our grand recital. See you!